Hello, I'm Maiden. The lesson objectives of my lesson are: number 1, students will define and identify nouns in sentences. Number 2, students will differentiate between common nouns and proper nouns. Number 3, students will create sentences using both types of nouns. Let's start. Good morning, class. Last time, we talked about sentences. Who can tell me what a sentence is? Everybody? Great! Today, we're going to learn about a very important part of sentences. Yes, nouns. Can anyone tell me what a noun is? Yes, Sarah? Exactly! Impressive answer, Sarah. Nouns are words that name people, places, or things. Let's look at a few examples. What do you see based on the picture? Great! What do you see based on the picture? Amazing! What do you see based on the picture? Impressive! Now, we're going to talk about common nouns and proper nouns. A common noun is a general name for a person, place, or thing, like city or teacher. A proper noun is the specific name of a person, place, or thing, like New York or Miss Smith. Can anyone think of a common noun? Good. And what could be a proper noun related to that? Great. Now, let's split into groups. Each group will receive a piece of chart paper. I want you to write down as many common nouns as you can think of. Then, beside each common noun, write a proper noun that goes with it. You have 10 minutes. Time's up. Let's share what you came up with. Group 1, can you read your list? Wonderful! Next, Group 2. Can you read your list? Great job! What did we learn today about nouns? Who can tell me the difference between common nouns and proper nouns? Yes, Carl? Impressive, Carl! Nouns are all around us. When we name things, we create our own stories. Imagine how dull stories would be without nouns. Right? Remember, using proper nouns correctly show respect. Using people's name correctly can make them feel valued. Now, I want you to take out your worksheet. In the first section, circle the common nouns in each sentence. In the second section, write a proper noun that matches each common noun. Let's review what you work on. Who can read one of the sentences from their worksheet? and tell us the common noun they found. For homework, I want you to write a short paragraph about your favorite place. Make sure to include at least 3 common nouns and 3 proper nouns. Be ready to share it in our next class. And that's the end of my teaching demonstration. This structured lesson helps students grasp the concept of nouns while providing them with opportunities for engagement and application. That's all for today. Thank you.